Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by heating butter and oil in a skillet. This gives flavor and prevents sticking. Add chopped vegetables and sauté for 4-6 minutes until just tender but still firm. Once done, season now so salt draws out moisture and concentrates flavor. Make sure to pull a few pieces aside for garnish. You're starting the cooking, not finishing it. This step builds texture and prevents a mushy final result while sealing in sweetness. You now create the cream base. Melt butter, stir in flour to form a roux and cook briefly to remove raw taste. Gradually whisk in milk or cream, preventing lumps. Simmer until the sauce coats the back of a spoon. That's how you check thickness. Once the sauce is silky, fold in the sautéed vegetables so they absorb creaminess without overcooking. Make sure to taste and adjust seasoning. Once combined, keep the heat low to avoid breaking the sauce. You finish by checking consistency and plating. Spoon the creamed vegetables into a warm dish, top with the reserved pieces and parsley for contrast, and add a splash of lemon if needed to brighten. Serve right away for best texture. If holding, keep on the lowest heat and stir occasionally. If the sauce splits or becomes grainy, don't panic. Whisk a tablespoon of cold cream in a small bowl and temper it into the sauce to bring it back together, then heat gently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.